Somewhere on me down. So help me somebody, my Psynos are on. My Psynos are on. My Psynos.
Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you all through my wild days.
What? Put man must on the TV, dog, about the team.
We have been asked to announce the deaths of Argentina. Argentina, late of South America, died on Thursday, June 21, 2018, leaving massively disgruntled huge population, disappointed fans and other relatives. The funeral service for Argentina will be held at the 2018 Russia FIFA World Cup.
You lose.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you.
Game so one man in the man there, I know that. I try to get man sweet, you know. You know what I mean? Every round you want to follow over next door, you know, this damn cock round in the dog. Come here, cut man in the dog. One man just get vexed. Shout up, my son. Yo, Billy!
Yeah, Daddy?
Bring your bingy. So, boom, and drive up the road in the dog and spot the cock in the dog. That's it. Same the Billy. And I say, Billy, yeah, enough, you know.
Brutality.
I'll be there now. What a gun? How about this? A joke. No light gun? Jesus, please, we can't take this stress no more. Hi. You see, for the next person we are coming in my life, me I tell you right now. If you don't come with stress, I don't need it. You know why? GPS has stressed me. Water Commission has stressed me.
Another one.
Last ex stressed me. Bills has stressed me.
Bruh.
Work has stressed me. So you see, if you know say you have stress, I am gonna come in on my life.
Hey, not today.
No come in there. Turn where you're there. Go away.
Another one.
Crosses. Bye. Think of Peru this, you know. Yo, that bad. Yo, I wonder if one day Jamaica can actually act like that.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Yo, what is stuff to find out? Real boss. Yeah, do it. Wagwan spooky. Your mama there, I see that coming from work. Ay, what is?
Bruh.
Tevar up in the plate, block 301923. Dipsy. Yeah, I'ma tell you guys something, man. So they say the earth is round, right? I'ma show you something. Guys, I got a green lemon right here, or a lime, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? I'ma put it on the floor. Look here, man. So you see, how come when I put it on the ground, it ain't move yet?
Bruh.
Conspiracy theory. Ghetto science.
And tell me say, you don't know the boy named Shannon and the boy takes you. I thought boy miss your baby. Wait, question I come to the door, God. I don't think I make man mad enough. Remember me telling you. Cause I'm telling you. Man, I eat that thing on the nose or something that going on. And you told me say, don't know the boy and the boy takes you. He miss you. We should never have to go.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call.
Bruh.
If you do have enough credit, please hang up and try making your call later.
Short and tally, lolly, short and tally. Get over here, catch up over here. Catch up over here, catch up over here. Catch up over here, catch up over here. Catch up over here, catch up over here.
Dwayne! Dwayne!
Yeah.
I mean, I like a boy, did it?
The old man, yeah, come call on you. Watch it, man.
Okay, so say I some you ugly.
Bobby, it's a mistake. Bobby, you're beautiful. Try to be rational and understanding about the situation.
Good day, everyone. My name is Rodney Price, representing for the Jamaican people to the Bayesian people on the behalf of Carcamel, all walks of life, every Bayesian in the world, across the globe, every kid.
Hey, Rodney, please, please.
Hey, boy, I won't come this to general, man. Anyway, people, hi, Rodney Price, representing for Jamaica on the behalf of Gargamel, would likely publicly apologize to all the Belgian people regarding the song and renouncing the boom boy you know. Yo! Gargamel over this last fucking general to read after me things ya bun the boy them out. I sell out to think I be him on this. Yo! Hear me as me now apologize to no fish, no whale, no mermaid, no. Yo! Send me back to Jamaica from the place I know. As a matter of fact, me never eat bull.
Psynos saying you what man. You know your sir came now forward again.
Yo, after me go make plans for the lick bay down on my bay.
Bruh.
Watch out, me have a plan. Like a shark, bossy. Bossy!
Baba.
You know, say a few things that go up on my hands, do. Your eyes are there, me don't know what go on in a breeze like a freak star, bossy. Yeah, breeze. All the tree them a blow, bossy, yeah, there. I be a thing, bossy. Don't be a thing, bossy. Come in like a tornado, bossy. Yeah, lightning a flash. Be a thing, bossy, be a thing. Rough, bossy, the thunder, lightning, everything, all the goat them a blow.
You know, some outside there, get still.
Jano, go link Psynos right now, because about a week now, me say man have no water, you know. Hold on. Water come!
What kind of board do you have? You run out with digital. Okay, more credits. My digital app. Sir, talking to you. You have a digital. Sir, please answer me. You don't have any money. Sir, please. Sir, do you know that my Wi-Fi is good?
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil, cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.